Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. This is the next level part of the language power. Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. This is the next level part of the language. So here one person told that, yeah, basically, are you sure basically the things basically are connected like this? So Sunil and I told that basically we are not 100% sure basically how the things basically are connected basically. But it might possible that things might be connected also basically. Things might be connected like this also. But here basically, whatever things basically, the things basically are processed basically, and it's basically giving the data to 20 crore child basically. But here the question is, if the child data basically is, child means 20 crore basically, is getting the data, that is the future process basically, right? So AI basically equal to what basically? Future thinking only basically. So mostly basically AI basically group might be getting the output data of this 20 crore basically. Otherwise basically how they are processing the data of the AI basically. So if it's not like this, then basically it's a error basically in entire AI technology basically. I'm 100% sure basically. If it's not like this, but mostly basically the world creator basically has created the world, that also with 100% accuracy. So this type of mistake basically he will never do basically. So mostly basically the creation basically might be like this. So next video basically we are going to see like this.